Gusii.
Happy new month omwanchi omurigererio Ndizi TV ngwege nabuna wachakiro mutinyo kianda asenchera ere yobotero nendenchera ere nkiya kegima ango kwargania ime ya Ndizi TV karongwege nabuna nogendrete kwegokya ane nasoko bwatia emerobero nsigeta senye kega kero ere tarikeyemo yomutinyo kianda omwaka bwechi bibere na meronko na litko ya Jumapili na mangabere ka okoreka na kurwaga kete gwika Chinsa chiga ane chinga ktoroche abari mwise kyombe keria gya kupet abagendrete komochia ekyombe gya Teacher Service Commission kobwatkana noko baunereria so gutekerania amaganiabo ekyo kyabaireri barabo wetera chingongu ase okogenda omugiro bwemeremo nabego gukora okurobekana ase chinsemo au Muraiwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto ni gasingerete gotebabuna ekirenga kyabuna muraiwense ya Kenya noko ene kyabuna obwa mateborobya bwabere boko ene kiwa asaba Kenya bonsi eriyo koreta amagendro ase chinsemo au imeyense ya Kenya charagire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona mugoroba cinga kingo kwarigania SMS ya Amayia eriyo kumanyebuna naraya na kwariganire asenchera ere yobenge gendra gotonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube watonyora wetera Ndizi TV News na bigase website ito abeko gusanga mona into wetera www.ndizitv.net ero togendra gusanga asobwamo ere teriane Everlyne Osero uliyo ko ene kya chibicarero gicha wikere ngakoro kwa Sara mumanyi kwarigania abeko gusanga amona into koikaumero Manchu muri banongo kwarigan tobe to gusanga mu Ikomi area karoto chaka maye Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ere yobwenge nengana yogo ichanya awasema mberero asekinyoro kia bonyankama yogo toka se wodi ya basi bogetaurio imeye bunge ya bobasi county ya Kisii ase omusacho yomo oyo oromorundi we biragita aimuke getamkro yo kwerusia obogima bwaye nakorengana nebimonyo nige gotebekana buna nigo babete bawetana no murugyoye oyo mugetie getambukiro agyo kogenda sobo yento kero kende kageire koire no musacho yo kwimukia egetambukiro ekyo nigama yanda baga kubwata inse asinonya nabo abanyanyimbo korwase getaseni kyanyanguso baikira na sengeyo na kurusia omubero nyagosira ase bayo ira goika asenge ndio gembo chingaki obotki bwacha kiwe eriyo kumanya ningikere to musacho yo wekora nigo chingaki cyabasaye baboriwe kwene kyabunango sanga bare chingaki babwate egento kebachandete ase obongo bwabori bagayo kwimukia egetambukiro getabwena tibuna okwerusia obomoyo
igaje tagasoma yagasika karanga gerasi gete kurulita chiti kwegora bakabona ningarende to kumene gusengenda siba gachuo sorara gatimuge bona kero bwatu bona mambi naro mwana umwabo maneno gutira gocha mwana kera utira gochoro nanje natiri mbukabuna gochoro ngo abuli gate gukona bakabona gate murangite gutabanga yaye matege ento nakora naronge tiri sanarangili tinyi gwetyo gukwana kende kyose tari gukwana basi naimo keragabo umwana uri konyosa uyu mwabo sabirebeti bona kagwaka gakomrandora gwaka nubuobo nabwate beti ile nabachara sayu naikorecha biri nate yo makoso aime banda kwigora kuruge shiri kare ora kuruge shiri njokanya nakobire beti ile kuchinyomba mwana togo bona ngosoka tuomirana no mwana uri omako kontebe ngatatu rugwe ngentete
esa muri tango kumesa kanyunju yo no montera bona tuabuta nera sana na bundi segasi yae karona mbuyale na ngonya kweligeria akonya abantu kurwa bona munanje naika nanyore kura tamambi tuaboke to andegas ekura te oyo sawa kurwa uke mwendu buyana naika mwendu buyana ngonya ke mwana Yesu kurwa muna tuabuta ke basikali bacha na ugo yumo berendu tuabori gokia bamukirira ndoa ime amwire nyamaje
nange ngwirari bagari bateba wasiti umusayo kuri urenda studios ano umusayo urenge kwirige bisane se so wiko kwense ngobona ingentana le gotebia basaya bakene rina anda konyo mwagosanire
Gikore kyogo ichania kegima to kurengora yabe nego cyase amate ya nyago sirane nemna kwegure naniga tigire magega family enke kegima togo skabose nigo mwemsebe wadi ya machoge basi Jeremiah Unkeri abeirega abaga kumerana nabamenye korwa se wadi yaye asensemo ya nyamiobo ime ya kanyimbo iriyo korwa obosemya na kobakonya wetere byumbe au biremo no birengete gosira abasae naboigo abangina go kwana chingakie chuni gata nekirenga kya kenene no koine kyabuna oberega konyorera abasae amabaga yemeremo eriyo kubakonya kwegendereria asama tukabusyo
kwa Jeremiah Unkeri omwe MCA omajoge bas otoko kwana kubegeti kyanya byobo primary ukere katikati ye ward ya majoge bas daroga pomeranire n'abantu be ward ngima bonde na partners batoko badera na barabwa siri girl ya rero zaidi ya partners bale Ikomi obwate ajira Kenya obwate DT Global International Partners barororo obwate National Employment Authority obwate Youth Fund katikati ya ito obwate majoga bas sako obwate Kisii and Trust Initiative amona abange abande balwachirega egente kanagi atayatirega iga ne program na chagete ya youth empowerment na bwate program na ariko ira abana chisukuru anene nredo ko bayire sukuru bagenda bakora course andanda gabanyora banyora skill kirabe chiko bakonya program na abankorani ne program ya abana barenge 60 bona gaba graduate maro bada dressing maro bara mache abana bega bona twataka tori yenchera na kizaidi ya gaiga bakonya ko
Umuraibense Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigagenderete kubaenekeria aba Kenya ubwo mateboro buyabwa magendero imeyense ya Kenya gukwana asomusangirikano bwa masabase kanisa ya SCK Bunkoma me county ya Bunkoma nigatebabuna ekirenga kenene nogo siria obogesaku eriyo kubeka bosyo amangana arengeta magendero asaba Kenya bonsi nigaruko kuboreo cyase abaraibeje kanisa naboigo abege no bonsi kogendera gusabira ense ya Kenya eriyo goskabosyo asesemo ya magendero.
As I promised the people of Kenya, we have changed the conversation in our country. The conversation we are having is about our development, the schools that we are building. As Makali has said, that he wants more classrooms in Bungoma DEP. The electricity connection we are doing around Kenya. The roads we are building. So that conversation as to this road was promised, has not been built. That road is ongoing, but slowly that road is going on well. That conversation about issues, development in our country is a very, very positive conversation. It is the conversation that I always wanted Kenya to have. Not a conversation about our ethnicities or our differences in religion or other sectarian interests. I am very proud that we are having, as a country, the right conversation. Conversation about the development of our country. Conversation about the issues that inform the progress, transformation, and prosperity of our nation. And in that way, collective responsibility of our country. I ask Bishop Mechimo and all the other bishops and all the other men and women of goodwill, men of God around Kenya, to continue to pray for us so that
Omukanyi bo muraibense Rigathi Gachagua amona baraibani kurwa serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigo bekirana asomusangirikano bw'amasabo naboigo omuyega bwo gukengera emyaka emyeyemo yobokoreri bwo monene ase kanisa ya MCK mikumbune imeye county ya Meru okwana chingakie cyo Gachagua nigagokera obwamatobu yabwe bisaku byonsi asate babuna ati babwati obobisa na montonde bwensi akorende nigo barenekirenga kyogo chamo buna bisaku kurwa se Chinsa cyonsi na gutwara eriyo gerimo no bwanchani eriyo gosikia ese ya Kenya busio.
This region tumesoma siasa vizuri sana msekera itu. Tumekaa na wazee na mabishop tumekubaliana. Hakuna siku ingine sisi tutachukia mtu yeyote ama kuchukia jamii yeyote, kwa sababu tutaenda hasara. Tumejua si ya kukaa hii Kenya ni kutafuta marafiki. Mimi nimekuwa Nyanza, mliona? Nimekaribishwa huko na heshima kubwa sana. The whole tulisimama pahali 14. Nilikubalika Nyanza kwa niaba ya Mlima Kenya kama kiongozi. And I want to thank the people of Nyanza kwa kukubali urafiki wetu. And we want to assure them, ile shida tulikuwa na Raila na watu yake, it is over. Raila and the people of Nyanza are our friends. Kalonzo, the Kamba people are our friends. Wetangula, Musalia, Natebea, Wamalwa, they are our friends. Never again shall this region agree to have prejudice against anybody. We have come to know that politics is the art of the possible.
Kwa na chinga kichwaigo ni goyo kaberu mu waziri bobore minetugo midikali nturi asentunde ntangani korwa baga kuruswa bisi apaka wakambya aseri baga betega konyora kurwa bokore no umu waziri ase wizare yoboremi no kubwatrana babere bakubwatrana nabara yanene kurwa serikali gati ya umukonyi bumurai bwense asokoreta amagendro anene imeye county yo ya Meru nigate babuna abamenye kurwa se county ya Meru tibali na bobebonde bwansi korende ni gobarache kogenderera gusira emerobero ya serikali na gutena sekene iriyo kwene kiabuna amagendera bere gakorokana asaba Kenya bonsi.
Rais tunapenda na hii serikali ni sisi tulitafuta. Kwa hivyo sisi si wanjinga kuanza kuongea ama kuanza kutoka ama kusema nini. We fought for this government. So we are there. So hata bibi mwingine akikuchwa kile tu taomba niyo heshima tu ile Kirito amesemea bibi ya mtoto, mama ya mtoto wa yule bibi wa kwanza afanye nini? Aheshimiwe. Kwani kuna makosa kusema hivyo? Hapana. So that is what we asking for. Nobody has any problem, but I want to remind you the people of Meru when the DP is here. Mheshimiwa naibu rais ametusaidia sana. Mimi wakati tulikuwa naye kuna siku alinipa pressure sana. Sababu ile mambo ya waiver ya coffin debt, ile memorandum cabinet ya kupeleka usema tuondoe mandeni ya watu wetu wa kahawa ilikuwa inafanywa na ministry yangu na ministry ya kina Kiburi. Akaniambia, akanipa ultimatum, akaniambia cabinet ya kesho kama hiyo iko hapa tukubaliane, wewe usifike kasini because watu wetu lazima wasaidike. I want to affirm and confirm to you that it means well for our people. Is a symbol of the unity of this region. Na niwaambie hakuna
Togos kabo sionigo abalimu abarise kiombe gyakupet bagendrete no mugirobo imeyense ya Kenya askire bagendrete komochia ekiombe kyabari Teachers Service Commission kobatkana no koboneria asogo taikerania amagani abo gukwana nabari kimambyarero asichinse mochia Kasarani memocho Nairobi nigo bamochirie TSC asoko genda sekegambero na tababna barabombe bwatia machikonsi aya yoko bakonya gokorokorobekana nabayo kogenda omugiro bwemeremo nigo baganire kiombe kyo ya Teachers Service Commission ko bwatrana ne serikali kwene kyabona babere bakoligereria emechande yo bawetera nakuba chingaki eriyo koirana ase chiskuru chingaki ekyo nigo baruro kubore ochase abaorokya nabo igo abaibori bali abagenderete na masoma ase chiskuru secondary na tabna kende yoskera beke okerekana barabuoti bayo ase amanganayo na goteba buna nigo abaibori bwente ko bamaiso chingaki echiga anako babwatia asokorera amaganyabo.
We have followed all the legal means of a union to go on strike. But it now appears that the wisdom of this country to create the Ministry of Labor has been made irrelevant by employers. And one such employer is Teachers Service Commission, who chooses not to address themselves to the calls of the conciliatory role that they were supposed to do with the union, because that is what the legal route is all about. Instead, they choose adversarial means basically meant to punish and to untwist the union and to continue oppressing the teachers of this country. And that is why I'm telling the whole country that this industrial action has now metamorphosed to a struggle. Because without the review of career progression, even when the teachers have got loans to go to further the education, the current education system requires teachers with aptitude in research.
Asensemo ye kiombe keria kiana tukorawa numuri kyomunene we kiombe kyo Collins oyu nigabere kabututerare chingumabuna anigo babwataine ne kiombe kyabarimu Teacher Service Commission yani ago cyacinga kiombe kyo kyabete kurugo chika sabarimu bonsi besikuru choboroso inse kiombe kyanat koira na ase chiskuru achinga kibaria bakupet bagendrete no mugirobo gukwana boigo oyu nigatebabuna egati yamaganiapo asekerengo kegoro nigabere kawikiraniwa ne kiombe kyo ya TSC na igoti barochi ekerenga kyogokora ukorobekana.
On a serious note, we shall continue addressing issues of teachers squarely with the employer and have them. I want to thank you, teachers of QSO, for listening to the voice of reason, and you're back to school. You know too well that the key issues that we are going to address we have addressed with the employer, up to and including having money in your pocket. Regardless of how much, iko, hata shilingi moja. One time, we got 2%. This must have been 2000 and what? Was it 202? Tulipata 2%. And we still went back. We must safeguard the position of the teachers. And we must have a working force that is very professional. Teaching is a call. And no single government can pay teachers a salary commensurate.
Mwancho murigerira yonsi nechingaki ababwatani na boigo ebyombe abigendrete kurukobore ochase ekyombe ya Teacher Service Commission gokora chingwana nekyombe ya kupet eriyo kogayana omuchando bw'umugiro na boigo okurobekana na kwa barokiwana barokya chinga kinyorora so goikerania amasomo ase chiskuru asemono bagendrete tayabuna abarokiwa na bwo bago chandika mono alene bali bago chwisaransa ase amatemu amanene yomwako yoiga ayamana mange senchira yo wikirano no yanyorege kuragese mono bigo Chinsa isato cyamugoroba narabega koretwa sore nere Josephat Misimbia mono asebalia mwezi mugendrete guturigerera korwa Chinsinyo nabalia twabwaterana asoko eneke mangana yaiga abeire kawo wikira yandira gutunyora sensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tunyora wetera Ndizi TV News na biga se website ito wetera www.ndizitv.net editogendere gusanga asobwamo Retariane Everlyne Osero orione kiachibichaniro gicha wekere nigakoro kwa Sara Momanyi kukaneria oburigere boru byasemiru bire kubwatana bigo emagoroba irentoerero
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii Omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tukuiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigireria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubiriyo yaitu yonsi Chinsa ngeberenenge bono onye kendegia korekanire asekenyurukiao ekiota getutumanye asubwango mono abonda isi reke nambeye asesimiao enotisano na ibire